Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a winter special pakoda recipe, a healthy homemade treat for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 1 cup of matar, also known as green peas. As you can see, I have also sprouted the matar so that it becomes more nutrient rich. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in a small piece of ginger, 2 green chillies. Green chillies you can increase or decrease as per taste. Add in the fresh and lightly sprouted matar. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Half teaspoon ajwain. Half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder. Adjust kashmiri chilli and green chilli as per your taste. 5 to 6 whole black peppercorns. I'm going to coarsely grind this without adding water. Okay, now it's coarsely ground. I'm going to add this into a bowl. 2 medium-sized onions sliced. With my hand, I'm mixing all this really well. When you mix the onions with your hand like this, the moisture will be released out. So for that, you may need to mix it really well. Also make sure that you slice the onions as thinly as possible. Once nicely mixed, I'm going to allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, you can see moisture has started to release out. I'm adding in half cup besan, also known as chickpea flour, finely chopped coriander leaves, and with my hand I'm mixing this really well. I'm not adding any extra water. The moisture from the onions are enough to help bind the batter. So there is no need to add in any extra water. Lastly, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as cayenne or asafoetida, and I'm giving it a good mix. And once nicely mixed, the pakoda batter will be of a spreadable consistency. So this is how the batter should be. And note that I did not add extra water in this batter. And now it's ready to make pakodas. I'm heating my small cast iron kadai with some wood pressed coconut oil. You can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, drop in small bite-sized pieces of the pakoda batter. Reduce the flame to medium. Remember that I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai which retains more heat. Couple of minutes later, carefully flip it over. Once the pakodas are crisp and golden, strain to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the pakoda batter. So guys, do try this healthy matar pakoda and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.